Stop everything. You want big money? You want $500,000 salary? Then you have to stop writing code that wants to kill itself. I'm talking about C and C++. We love them for the speed, but we pay for it with our sanity. It's like a sports car with no seat belt and a faulty brake line. Every year, big tech wastes billions on security, memory leaks, and thread race bugs. Unfortunately, that only appears after you ship it. This is a pain point for everyone. That is where Rust steps in. Mind it, this isn't just a language, it's an investment. And I'm telling you, you have to do it. It's like the only skill you need to command top of the system engineering salary ladder. What makes the Rust so special? So without delay, let's move on to the first gatekeeper of the Rust, and that's borrow checker. So what's borrow checker? Well, the Rust's killer feature, the main feature of the Rust is its compiler, and the name of the Rust compiler is borrow checker. This thing is absolutely tyrant. This thing won't let you use your variables after it's been moved. You can't even mutate your data if someone else is using it. So you can see it's very strict. Let me tell you. Learning Rust is basically a 7-stage process of grief, where the final stage is admitting that the compiler was right all along. The point is, Rust has zero cost abstraction. It catches C-level bugs at compile time with no runtime garbage collector. Your C++ code has bugs. Your Rust code doesn't even compile until the bugs are gone. So you can see that you are catching the bugs before it's even been compiled. When a company like Microsoft or Google moves a critical service to Rust, they are paying for certainty. And certainty is worth $500,000 in cash. The gold rush for the Rust developers is on. The demand for Rust skill is climbing faster than the Bitcoin in 2017. And you know what's the reason for this big check for the Rust developers? It's scarcity. Nowadays, if you pick a stone randomly and throw it anywhere, it will definitely hit a Python or a Java developer. But when a recruiter sees Rust on your resume, you instantly filter yourself into the top 1%. You're not just a developer anymore. You're an engineer who tamed the border checker. This isn't some side project language anymore. It's the new corporate standard for anything that touches metal. Microsoft is rewriting core Windows library in Rust for security. Google is using it in Chrome and Android. Amazon built Firecracker, the hypervisor behind Lambda, and it uses Rust. Cloudflare switched performance critical services from C to Rust because they got tired of memory bugs causing outages. Even NPM, they used Rust to speed up their registry services. When even the companies that own Java and JavaScript are quietly using Rust to fix their own mistakes, that's when you know it's a global event. You want a job that matters? They are using Rust for blockchain, embedded systems, and now the entire WebAssembly frontier. The scarcity of Rust engineers plus the critical nature of the projects, this is the salary multiplier, and this is the highest ROI skill you can learn right now. Look, I'm not telling you this is easy. You will hit the border checker wall, and that's fine. That's the tuition for the $500,000 salary you will get after you learn the Rust. But on the other side, you will have a resume now that will put you on the top 1% of the industry. Only person stopping you from the biggest salary jump of your life is the one who keeps trying to install NPM instead of Cargo New. Let me tell you a secret of the industry. The money is on the low level side of the stack. Start learning Rust right now.